This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome home. This beautifully upgraded house is built from the plans of the Rome floor plan. Located in the resort-like community of Benn's Grant, this home is just steps away from the luxurious pool, spacious clubhouse, fantastic playground and beautiful walking paths found throughout the community. With a gorgeous kitchen that has tons of cabinet and counter space, come ready to prepare your favorite dishes and make entertaining enjoyable and easy. With fresh paint throughout and lots of natural light, decorating will be a breeze. There is a flex space downstairs that is perfect to use as you see fit, great for virtual learning or teleworking. The master bedroom is oversized with deep closets, and with a large master bathroom. The other guest rooms are a fabulous size and offer wonderful storage throughout the home. Enjoy waking up with a cup of coffee or unwinding after a long